Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update the laptop OS and drivers so the VPN can run without conflicts. Next, choose a reputable provider with audited no-logs practices and download the official client. Once done, create your account and enable secure storage for credentials. Consider a password manager. Make sure to enable basic client settings like automatic updates and the kill switch during setup, because they protect you immediately while you proceed to deeper configuration steps. You now configure the core security options. Start by choosing a protocol, WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for wider compatibility, and set UDP or TCP based on reliability needs. Then enable DNS leak protection and disable IPv6 to prevent accidental traffic leaks. Once done, activate the kill switch so no traffic leaves if the VPN drops. Make sure to set auto-connect rules for public networks and configure split tunneling only for apps that must bypass the VPN. You finish by verifying the VPN works. Connect to a server, run IP and DNS checks, and confirm the visible location matches the server. Next, schedule client and OS updates and export a backup of your VPN configuration. Keep logs enabled for short-term debugging. If something goes wrong, a common fix is to restart the client, switch protocols, or reinstall the app. If that fails, check firewall rules and temporarily disable conflicting security software to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.